Hello friends, are you looking for a steak marinade?
Welcome to Real Food, Real Medicine, where Chef Dr. Margie empowers you to better health through real food, to your health and wealth.
Today I have Chef Dr. Margie's Easy Steak Marinade. It is easy and tasty and you're going to love it. Let's get started. I have here my ingredients and cooking instructions are at the end of the video. I have first softened up my ribeye steak using my Pampered Chef tenderizer. And I'm going to go ahead and put all the ingredients in the Pampered Chef silicone reusable bag, which is what we're going to be using to put the steak in and the ingredients, and we'll put it in the fridge to marinate. And we'll get started. Okay, we have all the ingredients in here. Let's shake them up a little bit. And this is enough probably to go ahead and marinate a couple of steaks, but I'm just going to do one for demonstration. Go ahead and put the steak in here. And it has little teeth on there, so it seals. And when you have it in the fridge, you'll probably want to go ahead and turn it over a few times during the marinade process. But we will go ahead and marinate this for a few hours. Ideally, overnight is best, and then we'll grill it. And here we have the grilled steak that was marinated in Chef Dr. Margie's Easy Steak Marinade. To your health and wealth.
Be sure to check all my links below to contact me, subscribe, shop, and join my team. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video. From my kitchen and wine cooler to yours, I wish you a bon appetit. To your health and wealth.